Hi guys, I'm Lindsay.
And I'm Mike.
This is the Disney for Couples podcast. It's your hub of information about traveling to the Disney parks, especially Disney World, as adults, as couples, but most importantly, not with kids, because
That's right.
Disney is no place for kids.
That's what it says on all the shirts.
What are we talking about today?
So today is going to be kind of an interesting episode. I've designed what I call a mini, as I had told you last night.
Minnie Mouse episode.
So, in kind of like true Disney for couples fashion, I wanted to take you on 2 dates.
Ooh.
Yep. One of them is very possible,
Okay.
and we can share with everybody what it would be like and what you can do, and I don't know, like what that night would be like. And the other one is impossible, except for us, because I
Ooh.
have a secret.
Ooh, I can't wait, because I know what the first part
gate.
is. A secret what?
A secret gate.
A secret gate?
That's right.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm more confused even than I was.
Excellent.
Great.
So,
yeah, we're kind of getting back to basics a little bit. Disney for Couples, the website was started to talk about like date nights, and we get sidetracked because there's so much to talk about Disney World, but this is kind of going back to the whole purpose of
Right.
Disney for Couples, which was coupley nights.
So for our date, you don't have to dress too fanciful. something kind of nice, but nothing too crazy.
Like a nice Spirit jersey, like a new Spirit jersey.
Like an Oogie Boogie.
Like a Spirit jersey with sparkles instead of like a denim one or something.
That would work.
I don't have a Spirit jersey. I don't think I'll ever own one.
Well, for what it's worth, I'll be wearing a button down with some khakis and some shoes.
Okay. Thanks for putting on the shoes.
on.
I'll be wearing my best hoodie because that's my favorite thing on the planet to wear is a Disney hoodie.
All right. So
And shoes.
In all seriousness,
And pants.
thanks, hon. We're in the car and we're on our way to none other than Epcot.
Okay.
We park, hopefully not in Rocket, and we walk to the front of the park, and I say, let's keep walking. And we go all the way to the World Showcase because tonight, my love.
What is this? What accent is
I don't
this?
know.
What country are we
I'm
going
gonna
to?
Stop now.
It's terrible.
Yep. We're going to have a Lady and the Tramp semi-inspired Italian dining night, fun
Beautiful.
at the World Showcase in Italy.
May I already edit your date night?
Yes.
Okay. We're not driving anywhere because we're staying at the beach club and walking to the World Showcase. I don't know what you're thinking.
That's right.
Or what kind of date you're bringing me on.
I'm sorry.
But we're staying at our new favorite hotel, the
Still
Beach
wear
Club.
my shoes.
Yep, you should wear your shoes. And we're walking to the World Showcase.
Okay. So we're in the World Showcase now, and we've made our way over to Italy.
Fake Italy.
Fake Italy. So the first place that we're going to go, my dear, is the Tutto Gusto wine cellar.
Okay, can I stop you here?
Yes, you may.
Okay, so is this a traditional like dinner date night?
We're going to have some wine time, then we're going to have some dinner time, and then we're going to have some dessert time.
Okay, so it's a food-centric date night.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
Yep.
Cool. Like my favorite way to have a date night, especially in Disney World, is a progressive dinner.
And that's what I thought.
And that's what we're going to do.
Yep.
Okay.
And I've got Lady and the Tramp music playing on my phone that I've shoved in my pocket.
Which isn't annoying to anybody around
Nope.
us.
Nope.
Nobody is bothered by that.
So what are you going to get at Tutto?
So is that the walk-in bar that we went to that one time, but we weren't allowed to stay in there because we didn't have reservations?
There are over 200 types of wine.
But is that the place I'm thinking of?
I believe so.
Okay. So quick tip. You have to make reservations or get on a wait list. I don't know off the top of my head. What I do know is that when we walked in, we were able to go to the bar and order, but they wouldn't let us stay in there.
Oh, okay.
So the last time that we went there, we had to get our drinks and then we just went into like the plaza.
Uh-huh.
But for a date night, figure that out ahead of time, like what you have to do, whether
Sure.
it's getting on a wait list or whatever,
we don't
just
wanna-
for the listeners.
We don't want to end up somewhere we don't want to go.
Or like get a drink and then go into the plaza. We like sat by the fountain, I think, and had a
Yeah.
drink. Well, I'm not getting one of the 2 million wines. Is that how many were on the list?
200.
200. I'm not getting any of the 200 wines. I'm getting the Limoncello Flight,
Ah, very
which
nice.
has, I believe, limoncello,
Yep.
cream limoncello,
Hmm.
and then pistachio cream limoncello, which is the greatest thing I've ever
You love that.
tasted. Yeah, it's amazing.
What's the red one that I always get that I don't know? I always have to say
The
to
red
you.
wine? What's
Yeah.
the kind of red wine?
I always have to say to you, what do I get?
You like Cabernet.
Okay, that's what I'm getting.
Yep.
Yep.
Cool. Any Cabernet? The cheapest Cabernet they have? The
one,
house
the
Cabernet?
One, the one with Goofy playing golf on it.
Yeah. Yeah, you like a red wine. You're
Yeah,
not a
equal
wine.
opportunity red wine.
Yeah, I'm not
consumer.
much different.
Yep.
I like dry wine, and that's pretty much my only rule.
So are you?
So we have a little cocktail.
Yeah.
Love
I'm
it.
admiring you, and I'm saying, oh, I love you.
Please don't.
Okay. and then it's dinner time. And for dinner, we're going to go to Via Napoli.
Okay, we love Via Napoli.
We do.
Mm-hmm.
We're not too keen on the service
On the very,
from
very
the last
rude
time.
managers?
Yes.
Yeah, that was
Yes.
ridiculous.
But it is a wonderful place to eat.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah, and for anybody who's wondering, like, super quick story time, the reason we said that is because the last time we went, I wanted to be sat in the back section where there were currently people eating, and the very snobby manager came over to me and said, that section is closed. And I said, the section right there with people eating? And she said, yeah, after this, they're closing it. And as we were sitting in our horrible table that was
Yep.
facing the garbage cans,
Yep.
we watched people get sat in that section. So
Yeah.
for whatever reason, she just didn't want to put us back there, and I was thoroughly annoyed.
Uh-huh.
But besides that, our waitress was wonderful, and we loved the food there.
Yeah, what
and
are you
the
gonna-
ambiance is cool.
What do you recommend for dinner?
I'm getting that white pizza. That is the best pizza I've ever had. I've had it twice now. I can't remember the name of it. It's like carciofe or something, but it's a white pizza with artichoke hearts and truffle.
Mm.
And it is just the greatest thing I've ever had. It's so good.
Okay. I'm going
What
to
are you
keep it real basic. I'm going to get spaghetti and meatballs, and I'm going to order a focaccia for, is that how you say it? Focaccia?
You don't say it like focaccia. No, that's not how you say it.
How do you
Focaccia.
I'm going to order some of that for the table.
Okay. Is
Yep.
that like exactly what we got last time we were there?
Yeah.
Is that what you got? The spaghetti and meatballs, and we had
That's
the
what I got.
focaccia? All
Yep.
right.
That was my first meal of the day that day.
That was your first meal of the day? Was that dinner?
Yeah,
Yeah, that makes sense.
something like that. All right. Do you
And
want
then
anything?
for what?
Do you want anything else?
No, I think I'm thoroughly fed,
But you want dessert, I hope.
obviously.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. But
So
not there.
No.
This is a progressive
No.
dinner.
We're gonna pay our bill. We're gonna
Well, I hope so.
we're gonna bid arrivederci,
We're paying our bill this time.
and we're going to leave the restaurant. And for dessert, we're going to the Gelateria Toscana.
Okay. Like gelato?
Yeah,
Gelateria,
yeah.
okay.
Yep. We're gonna go get gelato.
Gelateria.
Yep.
I wonder how exactly you say it.
And I'm gonna get some gelato. You're gonna get some gelato.
What flavor are you gonna get?
Probably something basic and boring like chocolate.
Yeah, we're both basic and boring, but on opposite ends of the spectrum, because my favorite ice cream flavor is vanilla.
Right.
Although if they have pistachio, then I would like to bookend my dinner with pistachio. I had the pistachio limoncello, and I'm going to have the pistachio gelato, which I'm assuming that they have.
I love it.
Yeah, kind of like meshes it all together.
And we've timed it so that we're watching the nighttime spectacular, and it's not very crowded because I told them not to be.
Good job.
Yep.
Thanks for doing
I told
that.
them.
Thanks for
you
doing
know,
that ahead of
the
time.
Disney gods.
Yeah.
Yep.
Or we're timing it so that everybody else is watching the spectacular, and we're booking it to Cosmic Rewind
perhaps.
to ride when the line is a wee 90 minutes instead of 4 hours.
So in the spirit of the month of February, in which there is a holiday called Valentine's Day, did you enjoy your evening of Lady and the Tramp semi-inspired romance?
I did. And also, I'm assuming that at some point we stopped into my favorite Epcot World Showcase gift shop and I bought a new pocketbook.
Yeah, I gave you a $500 gift card.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're so very welcome.
I love that gift shop. My favorite bags that I've ever gotten are from that gift shop.
I
love it. I have to say, the Italy Pavilion is absolutely one of my favorites there. It is so pretty. And when my buddy Chris went to Italy on his baby moon with his wife, he sent me pictures of what like the monuments he saw in Italy, and they looked exactly like our pictures of Epcot.
Yeah.
They looked so much
they were
like
modeled
it.
after the ones in Epcot. Yep.
I sent him a picture of Epcot and I was like, yeah, I have that picture too.
All right.
But it's just such a pretty
pavilion.
Yeah.
Most definitely.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. So now we're going to use my secret gate, which is located where where the bathroom is behind Imagination.
Yeah, the good bathroom?
Yeah.
Yep.
So that's where the secret gate is located. And it's also a time traveling secret gate. And we, my dear, are going back to the year 1940, February to be exact. And it's February 7th. I had to crank the day up a few pegs on the machine here. And I'm taking you to New York City. We're going to the Center Theater. And we are going to watch the premiere of a little tiny, tiny movie called Pinocchio.
Oh.
Yeah.
So we went to Florida
Yep.
to come back to New York.
Right.
Where we are in right now.
In the 40s.
Got it.
Yep.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yep. February 7th.
Also, I'm so sorry. Go ahead.
February 7th, 1940 was when Pinocchio premiered. I just wanted to say that's when it premiered.
And we're sticking with the Italian theme.
Oh, yeah.
Did that
Stromboli.
occur to you?
That's
Geppetto?
it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that guy too. Yeah. And
Okay.
you know what's really cool about that?
What?
Walt's there.
Oh, he was at the premiere?
Yeah.
What was the name of the theater?
The Center Theater.
Center?
Yep.
In New York
In
City?
New York City.
Oh, I love it.
Yep.
Are there
And,
pictures you can see of it online?
I'm sure. I mean, there was of the Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs premiere.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Oh yeah, of course, with the dwarves in those creepy costumes, right? Aren't they in the kind of scary big dwarf costumes?
I don't know.
I might be thinking of Disneyland premiere day, opening day,
maybe. So, yeah, that's what I call a mini. That's our mini.
That's
the whole mini.
So I have a question.
Yep.
Did we go to dinner and then immediately go to the movie, like dinner and a movie?
Sure.
And in your
Sure, whatever you want. Whatever you want. What do you want in the city? We'll do anything.
I want to go to Junior's for cheesecake. No, actually, the gelato in Epcot is probably better than Junior's cheesecake, which is sometimes the Junior's cake is sometimes dry.
And we'll sneak up to Walt and we'll be like, "Hey, you wanna come with us? Get out of here real quick."
Hey, he came from Disney World.
Yeah.
And he's like, "What?"
Yep.
So turning into a weird date.
And then we have cheesecake with Walt.
Sure.
All right, guys.
I love it.
Thank you so much for listening.
Thanks so much, guys. Come back next week. We'll be back with the normal-sized episode.
Yes.
And remember to stay young at heart like Walt would want.
That's right.
Bye.
Bye.